Welcome to Howard Cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making a corned beef breakfast today. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a good breakfast out of corned beef. Okay, this is the corned beef I'm making. So what I did, I already opened and put a little bit of oil. I did not do nothing else. Just put a little bit of oil and start frying it. Just a tiny bit, because you know this is this stuff got so much oil, so I just put just a teeny tiny. So I'm frying it. I'm frying the meat already. So this is beans, green beans. I mean, sorry, this is peas. So this is the peas. It's ready cooked already. Okay, this is the can of the peas. 2 peas, green peas. So I already opened the 2 cans. So this is the 2 cans. So I already washed it. We always make sure you wash it. So I already washed it, and I'm frying these. So I'm gonna put on low, okay? Because I don't want it to burn. My husband helping. He's cutting the onions. Okay, so this is the onions. I just using the small onions like this. So I'm gonna cut the onions. And I'm going to show you guys what to do with it, okay? Small onions, it says not big. If you want, you can use a bigger one though, okay? Okay, so this is the onions. So I add the onions. So you're going to fry the onions with the corned beef. Okay, so I already add the onions. So I'm going to fry it with the onions right now. Okay, so I'm gonna add the beans, green peas. I'm cooking with my husband today. He's the one helping doing the breakfast. So after that, I'm gonna mix it. So you're gonna mix it very well. Okay, let me mix it. Okay, so I just mix it very well. So you see, when you mix it, this is how it's gonna look like. So now I'm gonna add one, like this is the Maggi. I'm gonna add half of it, like this. You see, I just break half of it. You wanna make sure you don't put too much on it first. You just put a little bit and try it. If it's nice and salted like the way you want it, that's fine. If it's not salted enough the way you want, you're gonna add more. You're gonna keep on trying it and make sure. And if you like the taste the way you like it. If you don't like it, you can add some more season, okay? Because season always make the food taste good. So my husband is helping, so he's putting the Maggi on it. So now I'm gonna mix it. It's frying, so I'm gonna add some seasoning, my steak seasoning. So I'm gonna mix it. You see, it's going nice. This is tasty, very tasty, very healthy too. You got your vegetable and the meat. So it's good. Okay, so this is the best way to eat a vegetable. You don't like eating vegetable all the time for breakfast? This is a good idea to make a breakfast. And you're gonna have your vegetable. You're gonna eat your green peas and the corned beef together. This is good. You can eat it with bread, cooked crackers, anything. So thank you for watching Howard Cuisine, and love you guys so much. Please subscribe. The more subscribers I have, the more video I'm gonna be posting. And y'all know I'll be posting a beautiful video. Y'all love it. So please, love you guys. Bye, y'all.